Managing a health condition is challenging enough. Participating in a patient support program or decentralized clinical trials or patient advocacy groups often adds to the complexity. While these groups or programs offer help, navigating them can be complicated and time-consuming. Pharmaceutical sponsors provide essential resources, from financial assistance to affordable treatment pathways. But the journey doesn't stop there. Rigid reporting hours, long phone queues, and confusing paperwork often prevent patients from sharing critical information about side effects. For healthcare professionals, gathering accurate data and ensuring patients stick to their treatment can be overwhelming. Incomplete or delayed reports limit their ability to provide the right care at the right time. Introducing PatientSafe as Patient Companion, a seamless, automated platform designed to simplify every aspect of illness management with 24/7 support. PatientSafe is more than just a platform for reporting side effects or medical inquiries. It's your personalized health companion. Beyond medication support, it offers FAQs, video tutorials, disease management tips, and guidance on financial aid and insurance. Stay on track with medication reminders, notifications, schedules, and monthly adherence tracking. Seamlessly integrated with devices, it enables smart tracking for better treatment management. Engage with a supportive community. Connect, share, chat privately for personalized support, and receive real-time responses and explore expert insights with study updates and articles. Caregivers can track updates and provide seamless support. With timely alerts and real-time assistance, we're with you every step of your healthcare journey. Contact us today.